Want to save up to $14,000 on home upgrades in 2026? The US government is offering huge energy rebates, but deadlines are coming fast. These rebates come from programs like Homes, which gives up to $8,000 for retrofits, and Here, which offers instant discounts on appliances like heat pumps and water heaters. Stack them together, and you could reach $14,000 in savings. Eligibility depends on income, your state, and the upgrades you choose. Families improving insulation or installing efficient heat pumps often qualify for thousands in rebates, even middle-income households. Check your state's energy office or utility site. Certified contractors often handle the paperwork, but you will need receipts and proof of eligibility. Funds are limited, so apply early. Don't wait. Once funding runs out, it's gone. Click the link in the description to see if you qualify today. Upgrade your home, slash bills, and pocket thousands. Claim your rebate now. Here's a pro tip. Don't just stop at rebates. Pair them with tax credits. Many energy-efficient upgrades also qualify for federal tax credits, meaning you can stack rebates and tax savings for double the benefit. That's how some families cut upfront costs by more than half.